Hi guys, with another video. This is the switch. I just got this in the front, in from the eBay the other day. It is the battery disconnect. It is the switch that breaks out the negative side of the battery circuit. That way, if you plan on leaving your car for a long time without charging, and this is the good way to do it. You don't need charger. Yeah, my Jeep always giving me the problem because if I don't drive 2 days, what happens? And yeah, it just drained the battery, and I wasn't able to drive, and just jumping my battery, give the jump. And then I search. This is the best solution for my battery, and yeah, it is a simple design. It's two brass together, as you see, uh, two brass pieces that are separate, but the nylon. This is the, as you see, nylon spacer. In the middle of there is a treated rod right there. You see the plastic ones rod. When you tightening that down, it connect both of them together and complete the circuit. Yeah, this is it. If you clockwise, yeah, you turn it, and it's complete the circuit. So yeah, it's very reasonable. It's not expensive. It's maybe it's $10, less than $10. You let's go ahead and install this. I need two ranges. One is for this. Let me see what's the number. Okay, 12 millimeter for this one, 12 millimeter, and for this side right there, and 13 millimeter. I need range. Yeah, as you see, 13. Let's go ahead and start it. And what we're gonna do first, yeah, let it put this car. Just what you do, just lose the battery connection, right? Okay, just lose this. Yeah. Okay, just take it out. Okay. Right there. So what you're gonna do, you don't need to touch anywhere. Just put something, the paper, right there, or somewhere, I don't know. Right there, maybe. But you don't need to touch anywhere. This is the one. Switch goes here. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. This way, maybe this way. That's better. Yeah, let me think first. If I go this way, I'm pushing that. Yeah, I think this is the best way. You go ahead and tightening with the 12 millimeter wrench. Okay. Right. Not too tight, not too loose. Okay, just tightening. Okay, that's cool. Okay, this is it. Then after that, take this away. Of course, I just losing this. Counterwise, you just turn it counterwise sorry, hold on a minute. Okay, hold on. So this is the way it is. I just connected here, this other side, and this is also here, negative side. And what you could do, clockwise, if you turn this and clockwise, and power is active. When you counterclockwise like this, now there is no power because it's loose. But when I turn it, and power is gonna come. Yeah, this is the simple. Yeah, I think it's very helpful for my car. Maybe you have a problem and you can use same switch. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.